Hi and hello everyone. This is Preeta. We are seeing class 8 chapter 2 exponents or powers. We are seeing recap exercise 5th sum. Simplify the following and write in exponential form. So exponential form means we have to write in terms of the powers. Okay, we first have to simplify it and write the form. So they have given 9 to the power of square whole to the power of 7. So they have given two powers. So whenever we have two powers, a to the power of m whole to the power of n, whenever we have two powers, we can actually multiply the powers. So same way we are going to do over here. So the first step is we are going to multiply the two powers, which is 9 to the power of 2 into 7, nothing but 9 to the power of 14. The next sum is 6 by 11 whole to the power of 0 to the power of 5. So here also we can multiply both the powers, which will be 6 by 11 0 into 5. Any number multiplied with 0, the power becomes 0. So 6 by 11 0 into 5 becomes 0. Since we have to simplify and write in exponential form, we can leave this as it is, 6 by 11 to the power of 0. The next sum we have 4 by 13 to the power of 2 whole to the power of 3. So we just have to multiply the powers, which will become 4 by 13 to the power of 2 into 3. So 2 3s are 6. So 4 by 13 to the power of 6. The next sum is 5 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1. This can be written as 5 to the power of 4 into 1, which is nothing but 5 to the power of 4. We are going to see the sixth Roman letter. Simplify the following and write in exponential form. So here also we have to simplify the given and write the exponential form. So the first sum is 5 cube into 10 cube. So 5 cube we have to simplify and make into a single base. So the given sum is in the form of a to the power of m into b to the power of m. So m means they both have same base. We can actually multiply the base and then write the power. So 5 into 10 to the power of cube can be written as 5 into 10 whole cube. So 5 into 10 we have 50. So the answer will be 50 whole cube. Since we have to write in the exponential form, we can just leave it 50 to the power of 3. We will see the second sum, 3 square into 9 square. Here also we have a to the power of m into b to the power of m format, which is same power with different base. So we can multiply the base and write the power as a whole. So we can write the as 3 into 9 whole square. So 9 3s are 27 whole square. 3 into 3s are 9 into 3. 9 3s are 27. So we can either write it as 3 to the power of cube. Okay. 27 can be written as 3 into 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. So 3 cube. So 3 cube whole square, we can multiply the powers, 3 into 3 into 2. So this can be written as 3 to the power of 6. We are going to see the third sum, C, a to the power of x into b to the power of x into c to the power of x. So we have three variables multiplied over here. So we can use the same format still. So we can multiply a into b into c and write it as whole to the power of x. So this can be written as a into b into c whole to the power of x, or simply written as a b c whole to the power of x. Both are same. We are going to see the next sum, minus 7 to the power of 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4. So we have a to the power of m into b to the power of m. So the same law we can use here. We have different base with same power. So we can first multiply the bases. So this can be written as minus 7 into 2 whole to the power of 4. So whenever minus multiplied with the plus, so we have to multiply over here plus 2. So minus 7 multiplied with plus 2, this can be written as minus of 14. So minus into plus is plus minus. Minus into plus is minus. So 7 into 2 are 14. So the answer should be in negative. So minus 14 to the power of 4. We are going to see the seventh Roman letter. Simplify the following. So the sum is b to the power of 4 multiplied by b to the power of 5 whole to the power of cube. So first we can try to multiply the two base with the same power using this formula. So and then we can multiply with the power which is outside. Okay, so the first step is we can first b to the power of 4 into b to the power of 5. So this is same base a to the power of m into a to the power of n can be written as a to the power of m plus n. So this is of this formula. We have the same base b with same different powers. So we can add the powers. So this can be written as b to the power of 4 plus 5 whole to the power of cube. So the next step will be b to the power of 4 plus 5 is 9 whole to the power of 3. So now we can use the format a to the power of m whole to the power of n, which is equal to a to the power of m into n. So when we have two powers, we can actually multiply the powers. So 9 3s are 27. So b to the power of 9 into 3. So the answer will be b to the power of 27. So the second sum we have 8 into x to the power of 4 into y to the power of 5 divided by 4 into x square into y cube. So we can try to cancel the terms which are like. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 2 into x to the power of 4 divided by x to the power of 2. So x to the power of divided by x to the power of 2 multiplied by y to the power of 5 divided by y to the power of cube. So we can again use the formula. We are going to use the formula a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. So this is in the format same base with different powers. We can actually subtract the powers. So this can be written as 2 into x to the power of 4 minus 2 into y to the power of 5 minus 3. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 into x square into 5 minus 3 is 2. So 2 into x square into y square. Okay, so we can either write it as 2 into x square into y square, or we can simply write it as 2 into x square y square. The next sum we have 7 to the power of 0 plus 3 to the power of 0 whole square. So we are going to use the format any base to the power of 0, the value will be 1. So 7 to the power of 0 becomes 1 plus 3 to the power of 0 becomes 1. So 1 plus 1 whole square. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2 whole square. Answer is 2 to the power of 2. The last sum in 7th Roman letter 9 to the power of 0 into 4 to the power of 0 whole cube. So we know a to the power of 0 is nothing but 1. So 9 to the power of 0 is 1 multiplied by 4 to the power of 0 is 1. 1 into 1 whole cube. So 1 into 1s are 1 cube, which is nothing but 1. We are going to see the 8th sum. Find the value of x in each of the following. So the first sum is 2 to the power of x is equal to 32. So we have to make 32 in terms of 2 to the power, so that when we both have the same base, the power will be the same. Okay, so we can try to take LCM of 32. So 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are. So 32 can be written as 2 to the power of, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we totally have 5 2's. So 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5. So when bases are same, the power will also be equal. So when base are same, the power will be equal. So we can take the base and write the power, which implies x is equal to 5. So x is equals to power 5. Going to see the second sum in 8th Roman letter. 3x plus 1 equal to 81. So like the previous sum, we have to take LCM of 81 in terms of 3, so that we can make both the base same. So 81 when I divided with 3, so 3 27s are 81. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So we totally have 4. So 3 to the power of 4. So we can use the same concept here. When the bases are same, power will be equal. So therefore x plus 1 will be equal to 4. So we have to find the value of x. So we can take plus 1 to the other side. So it becomes 4 minus 1. So the value of x will be 3. So when plus 1 goes to the other side, it becomes minus. So the value of x is 3.